So, GoPro has officially confirmed that they are working on the development of the GoPro Max 2, which comes almost 4 years after they introduced their initial Max series, the 360-degree action camera. There have been numerous ongoing rumors about the GoPro Max 2, so what features might this new action camera bring to the table? That's what we're about to find out. At the launch event for the GoPro Hero 12 Black, GoPro's founder and CEO Nick Woodman confirmed that they are actively working on the successor to the Max camera. When asked about it, he mentioned it's in the works and it'll be worth the wait. The statement was also echoed in a Twitter response from GoPro. Now, what were the upgrades will it feature? Sadly, GoPro has not provided any specific information regarding the release date of the GoPro Max 2, apart from disclosing its name. But we can guess some of those from the recent patent of GoPro.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
This Panon application presents a range of images that could serve as initial frames or angles for selection. This selection process would take place within editing software and aims to transform the challenging task of editing 360-degree camera footage into a seamless process. The application explains that a video may encompass a scene capture such as a wide field of view of the scene. A punch-out within the video would provide a specific framing of this captured scene. The determination of this punch-out would depend on various factors, including the video's context, such as the type of scene being captured, the movement of the camera during capture, and the motion of objects within the scene. As obvious from the images we showed, there are 5 distinct shots captured simultaneously but from various angles within the 360-degree video. These angles range from close-up shots to a mini-world perspective of the surroundings. This feature carries a striking resemblance to the recently launched Insta360 Go. Considering that it's been nearly 4 years since the release of the current Max camera, it'd be beneficial to see some improvements in its sensors, perhaps incorporating 2 of the 1/1.7-inch sensors found in the Hero 12 Black, along with GoPro's latest GP2 processor. While a new processor would have been far better, there's no information available regarding such an upgrade at this time. Besides, if there was a new processor under development, GoPro would have featured that in the Hero 12. It's crucial for the video quality to be increased also in order to function as described in the patent. Although the Max still delivers high-quality video, it's now clear that GoPro has not invested enough in its Max series, and it's time for them to catch up. It would be highly desirable to have a 360-degree camera with a higher resolution available, as we've been stuck at 5.6K since the GoPro Fusion era. This high resolution would enable users to export reframed 16:9 videos at resolutions greater than 1080p, and we believe that's exactly what the future of the 360-degree camera market requires. However, when it comes to 360-degree cameras, the hardware is relatively easy to crack. It's the software that truly defines the user experience. The ability to adjust the camera's perspective in any direction after recording is the primary advantage of 360 cameras, but it can also become overwhelming without the right software. Currently, in our opinion, the combination of Insta360's camera and software offers a superior package. In terms of design, Insta360's form factor is also more appealing than that of the Max. If GoPro can excel in this software aspect, it could pose strong competition for Insta360. Let's discuss the potential release date now. GoPro is set to launch a new desktop version of Quick in the 4th quarter of this year, along with the release of another software package. In mid-2024, they're also planning to introduce a much more affordable entry-level GoPro camera, so if you're hoping for a new Max 2 camera before the end of this year, it's highly unlikely. As GoPro's roadmap suggests, we might have to wait till September 2024. At this point, all we can do is patiently await the developments that Woodman and his team have in store for the GoPro Max 2. What do you think? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments section down below and consider subscribing for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.